The most important skill to learn in today's world is to know how to write a computer program. Today, computers have entered almost every industry, be it the autopilot in an aircraft or digital speedometer in your bike. Computers are in various form around us. Computers are extremely useful for an organization to scale up well. Gone are the days of pen and paper. Today, in order to store and access your information, you absolutely need computers. The programming and developer communities are emerging at a rate faster than ever before. Various new programming languages are coming up that are suited for different categories of developers as well as for different use cases, such as web application, mobile applications, game development, distributed systems, and many more. Every beginner is puzzled with the question, what programming language should I learn? Let us take a look at the best programming languages to learn in 2020 for job and for future prospects. But before we start, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification for our latest videos. So let's get started. Number 3. JavaScript. JavaScript is the front-end programming language. JavaScript is widely used to design interactive front-end applications. For instance, when you click on a button which opens up a pop-up, the logic is implemented via JavaScript. These days, many organizations, particularly startups, are using Node.js, which is a JavaScript-based runtime environment. Node.js lets developer use JavaScript for server-side scripting, running scripts server-side to produce dynamic web page contents before the page is sent to the user's web browser. As now, with JS, you can use a single programming language for server-side and client-side scripts. If you are looking for that cool tech job at your favorite startup, you should seriously consider learning JavaScript. JavaScript was on the top in 2019 GitHub Octoverse report and 2019 Stack Overflow Developer Survey. JavaScript is very easy to learn and we rate 5 out of 5 to the JavaScript on the ease of learning scale. The job opportunities with this skill under your belt is very high. We rate JavaScript 4.5 out of 5 on the job opportunity scale. Number 2. Java. Java is another popular choice in large organizations and it has remained so for decades. Java is widely used for building enterprise-scale web applications. Java is known to be extremely stable and so many large enterprises have adopted it. If you are looking for a development-based job at a large organization, Java is the language that you should learn. Java is also widely used in Android development. Almost any business today needs an Android application, owing to the fact that there are billions of Android users today. This opens up a huge opportunity for Java developers given the fact that Google has created an excellent Java-based Android development framework, Android Studio. Java ranked second in 2019 GitHub Octoverse report and 5 in 2019 Stack Overflow Developer Survey. We rate Java 3 out of 5 in the ease of learning scale and the job opportunities with this skill under your belt are very high. And we rated 4 out of 5 on the job opportunity scale. Number 1. Python. Python undoubtedly tops the list. It is widely accepted as the best programming language to learn first. Python is fast, easy to use, and easy to deploy programming language that is being widely used to develop scalable web applications. YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, SurveyMonkey are all built in Python. Python provides excellent library support and has a large developer community. The programming language provides a great starting point for beginners. Talking about those who are looking for a better job, you should definitely learn Python ASAP. A lot of startups are using Python as their primary backend stack, and so this opens up a huge opportunity for full stack Python developers. We rated Python 5 out of 5 on the ease of learning scale. The job opportunities with this skill under your belt are very huge, and we rate Python 5 out of 5 on the job opportunity scale. Python and JavaScript are hot in startup world. Many startups use Django, Flask, and Node.js as their backend frameworks. Python and JavaScript are easy to learn and therefore considered the best programming language to learn for beginners. Moreover, both of them also provide a huge market opportunity. Therefore, those who are looking for a job change may also consider learning them. I hope you would have found your answer to which programming language to learn first by now. Feel free to ask questions in the comment section and I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and hit the like button if you liked what you saw.